Hello watch lovers and welcome to my channel Wristwatch and Wallet. On this channel we do unboxing and review different affordable watches, and today I have another affordable automatic mechanical watch that I bought recently. But before moving forward, please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. That will help the channel to grow and I will be able to bring new watches to you. First is a wrist check time. Today I am wearing a skeleton watch from CADVAN, and recently I have done unboxing of it on this channel. I will leave the link in the comment section or in the description. Our today's star of the show came in this black unnamed box. However, I will tell you the secret before opening the box. The manufacturer name is Sewor. This is the first time I am unboxing a watch from this manufacturer. Without further ado, let's open the box. And in the box, we can find only one thing: the watch. Apart from it, there was nothing else. No cleaning cloth, no watch manual, nothing. The watch model number is 065. It is an automatic mechanical watch, which means it has a self-winding mechanism, which also means that by wrist movement, a rotor will rotate and may wind up the movement. Now let's move to the measurement. According to the website, the case width is around 35 mm, excluding the crown. The case height is around 13 mm. The lug-to-lug width is around 24 mm. The lug-to-lug length is around 48 mm. And we have a brown leather strap with crocodile texture on it. And we have also a steel buckle, which is unsigned. The watch provides a 30-meter water resistance. Also, the case is made of stainless steel and coated golden. The watch dial has a pattern and the indices are marked in Roman numerals. There is a date complication at 3 o'clock and it has sword-shaped hands. Then we have a see-through case back. And here how it looks on a 6.5 inches wrist. I must say this is a very beautiful looking watch. And here is a task for you. Let me know in the comments section how this beauty looks to your eyes. That is all for today. I will try to make a full review video after wearing it for some time. Once again, if you like the video, then please do subscribe and like. That will help the channel grow and also might help someone to find this video. Thanks for watching.